Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today there is quite a bit to go through and I'm literally going to get straight into the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because again, I love doing these videos on a daily basis, documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Also, if you can smash the like button down there, it is down there. It doesn't cost you anything. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, all right? Also, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Straight into it today, guys. There is quite a lot to get through. And with the news, ladies and gentlemen, let's get straight into it. Obviously, we've got a lot happening with Brad Garlinghouse now officially announcing the Ripple XRP victory party in New York, which is crazy. We've got Johnny Deaton breaking down a secret memo, which is interesting as well. We've got Ubi Connect, a debut on the XRP ledger, a banking interface, which is really interesting as well. Again, Bitcoin flashing a very bullish signal. We're going to get into that. The SEC is now going after NFTs, which is absolutely ridiculous. BlackRock is now a major shareholder in the largest Bitcoin mining companies. Updates in relation to Polygon Matic, and of course, we've got co-founder Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin selling $6 million worth of Ethereum, which is crazy. And BitBoy has been fired from his own freaking channel. Crazy. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go to Coinspot. Again, they are an official partner of the channel. Please feel free to use the referral links below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin with this stuff. Do your own research. Now, prices here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars. Now, we've got Bitcoin sitting at 40,000 Australian dollars. Ethereum's at 2,600. XRP at 82 cents. Bullish, Cardano's at 42 cents, Doge at 10 cents, Solana's at $32, Polkadot $7, Matic's at 88 cents. Litecoin 104, Shiba Inu's up as well, 1.49%. I'm still holding on to that. XLM, guys, 18 cents. Chainlink is at $9. Moving down, Hedera at 8 cents as well. ICP $5.49. We have Quant at $161 today. VeChain again doing nothing for 2 years, and I'm still holding on to it, guys. Optimism, $2.27. That's one I'm keeping an eye on. XDC's pumping again, 15% today, which is nuts, at 9 cents. We've got ALGO at 15 cents. Axies at $7. Moving down, Theta at 98 cents. Scrolling down, Neo's $11 today. Gala at 3 cents. We have Casper at 5 cents. IOTA's at 23 cents. Some other favorites, of course, we have XYO, which is in the pennies at the moment, and of course Reef, which is very, very bullish right here, guys. Again, that's up 2.49%. Definitely a gem. Crypto bubbles, guys, and yes, the Wall Street Bull University is linked below. Again, I'm putting up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto day trading bots, which are working really nicely. Made some big gains last night, which is crazy. All my futures grid bots videos are up in there as well. That is a different type of bot. And again, there is 1,103 posts. That is a lot of information for you guys, all right? And thank you to those 367 people who have signed up. You guys absolutely rock. I've kept this at $8.50 Australian. It's about $5 US a month, which is nothing. And I'm putting up so much vital information in here that is making me money that I can't necessarily do on the YouTube channel. But anyway, guys, go join up. It is linked below. I'm going to show you my OKX account, and you'll see the deals that the bots made last night. Again, this is my actual account. I'm up $52 today. The market is down. I've got bots set up both trading a long and short position using an RSI indicator. The full 15-minute video on how these actually, my current setups are in the Patreon. Again, I'm up $52 on the day. I'm not too worried about that. I'm up 11.24% on the week, which is crazy. $1,327, which is crazy. On the month, I'm still up $11,249 Australian, 397%. And in 6 months, finally cracked $12,000. There you go, 581%. This is no BS, okay? And I had some liquidations, again, which did hurt. And if I go to the week, you can just see it's moving away there, but again, I went from 12,000 down to 10,000 in one day. That's a lot. So I lost about 2,000 in one day because I'm using leverage. Now, I do not recommend it. And the only thing I want to point out as well, if you are interested in obviously doing this, that the United States, Canada, and I believe the UK have issues with leverage trading. You will need a VPN. Again, I'll put that all up in the Patreon anyway, how to get around that. But moving on, I'm going to show you my trades. I've got 55 positions open, 109 orders, obviously open buying and selling. Positions at the moment, again, I'm currently got Ethereum perpetuals on 20x leverage. I do not recommend trading with leverage at all, okay, because it's really risky. 20x is a lot, 20 times your money. So think about it, it's a lot. Now, again, these are the 55 positions open up at the moment, which is incredible. And I can go to the history from yesterday, and you can see most of the deals. I've had a couple liquidations here on XLM. What else we had? Solana had obviously lost that trade, but it's not too bad. Mostly winning trades, which is incredible, guys. So again, this is working really nicely. I am using 3 commas with OKX, by the way. Everything is in the Patreon, guys. Look at this. 260 USDT on a long, 8.45%. I mean, that's incredible. So you can see that this is legit. And a lot of people are saying, oh, why don't you teach technical indicators? Well, I mean, it takes a lot of time out of my day to sit and look at charts all day. So I've found a solution to that. And basically, yeah, it's just a no-brainer in my opinion, because these things trade 24/7 based on the RSI indicator. So again, it works. It's incredible. And yes, I've had to go through a lot of losses with this, but it's incredible, meaning losses in terms of educating myself on day trading, and I found this solution and it's worked really, really well. So that's no BS. All right, join up to the Patreon, Wall Street Bull University. Now, on the day, Hex and XDC, the biggest gainers. I know which one I'm going for, which is XDC. 17% on the day, 10 on the week, 9.6 on the month, and 130 on the year. Guys, this is incredibly undervalued in my opinion. It has been a sleeper for so long, and it's still at 6 cents. Sorry, I got something in my eye. 6 cents. You know, I've been talking about this for 2.5 years. A lot of people have been able to dollar cost average into that at around about 3 cents Australian. Let that one sink in for a moment. Anyway, Hex again up 13.9%. I'm steering clear of this. There's a lot happening with Richard Hart and the SEC. And again, I've never been a Hex investor, but I'm sure a lot of you are. And a lot of people lost a ton of money in this. So just be careful with Hex. Shiba Inu again, 2.1% on the day. It's up. I'm still holding my Shiba Inu as well. We know that Da Vinci is very, very bullish on this, and basically he called Bitcoin, I mean, a long time ago, made a lot of money, obviously moved to Dubai for those tax reasons. Anyway, we have some other coins here, of course, and I can never find it, which is really annoying. But again, Casper, bullish on this, guys, 0.7% at 3 cents USD, which is nice, and XRP, of course, at 0.2% up today, 51 cents. Wait till FOMO kicks in with this, guys. People are going to go ape on this. Not the coin, but go crazy. And again, Solana. I'm incredibly bullish on Solana. I can't really see it here. I'm going blind from looking at computers all day. Where is it, guys? Where is it? Can't see it. Can't see it. Can't see it. It's annoying. Anyway, bullish on Solana. Moving on. Ripple having a massive party in New York. Brad Garlinghouse has confirmed they announced the plans for the proper victory party in New York, which is taking place on September 29th, celebrating the recent Torres ruling and deemed obviously secondary sales of Ripple XRP not to be securities. And the announcement was met with outpouring of support on social media from the XRP army, not community, army. Last few years have been quite the journey. And I look forward to celebratory toast, Garlinghouse tweeted, which is nice. And the Torres ruling marks a noteworthy step for Ripple. But it is far from the end of the road. The ruling does not apply to institutional sales of XRP by Ripple and its executives. Again, a matter which the SEC claims violated securities laws. Furthermore, the SEC has appealed the Torres ruling, making the final outcome of the case still uncertain. And, again, the SEC is not going to win this. 2.5 years of testimonies, reports, analysis from Judge Torres. I mean, come on. Get over it, SEC. Just take the loss. Take the L. Garlinghouse noted in his earlier tweet saying that despite the appeal, the nature of XRP as a non-security is not up for debate or trial. Facts. And despite these legal issues, Ripple and its legal team appear confident about the trajectory of their case. And the New York event seen as demonstration of Ripple's confidence in its ongoing legal battles, but market participants have been cautious due to the SEC's appeal. I'm not worried about that at all. Johnny Deaton, secret XRP memo and private SEC meeting with Ripple. And according to Johnny Deaton, legend to the XRP army, the Howie memo was written by the SEC enforcement lawyers and received by the SEC Jay Clayton and the Commissioner William Hinman on June 13th, 2018. This was just one day before the delivered speech suggesting Ethereum may not be a security while neglecting to mention XRP. I think that was on purpose, don't you think? And 3 months later, both Clayton and Hinman held a meeting with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and David Schwartz, asked why XRP had been left out of their speech. At the time, both ETH and XRP competed for distinction at the second largest crypto by market cap, but ETH pulled ahead after the speech was published. We have the actual meeting notes from Hinman's special counsel, who is assigned to him by the SEC and attended the meeting, said Deaton. Written by the SEC attorney, tells us a lot. Anyway, Deaton said that the meeting was related to XRP's regulatory status, during which Garlinghouse exhibited frustration over the lack of regulatory clarity for XRP. The CEO said that his company was in a purgatory due to the SEC's vagueness on the matter. They're very vague, aren't they? Obviously, we've got an interesting update here as well. Ripple Labs, Ubri, connect to debut XRP Ledger banking interface prototype. In a recent revelation, Ralph Kenneman right here, a prominent figure in the XRP community, highlighted an intriguing development concerning Ripple Labs' Ubri initiative on Twitter. Obviously, he shared an interesting resume from the University of Waterloo, touting the recent CBDC research based on the XRP Ledger. Notes from that they prototyped a banking interface to be presented to Ubri Connect 2023. Lots of development happening in Canada. And the document linked from the University of Waterloo indicates that William Park was on the hunt for a research assistant for a tenure spanning May to August 2023. The role demanded the proficiency of Python, Flask, and XRPL React typed script, and involved tasks such as conducted research evaluating the viability of a central bank digital currency based on the XRP Ledger blockchain. And again, this is interesting as well, but Ripple Labs deepening ties with Canadian institutions. And Canada, indeed, Ripple is continuing to showcase its ongoing commitment to fostering talent and innovation in Canadian region, especially in the growing crypto hub of Toronto. And I would love to visit there one day, but that's bullish as anything, guys. Now, Bitcoin flashing a bullish signal that previously preceded a 214% rally, according to Raoul Powell. Former Goldman Sachs executive basically says he's looking at one signal that has preceded massive Bitcoin rallies 5 times in the past. In a blog post, the macro guru says that Bitcoin 30-day historical volatility just moved below the 20 for the first time since the start of the year, which is crazy. And Powell says that hitting the 20 level has historically set the scene for a Bitcoin to go on a huge run in the succeeding months. After a strong start of the year, 60% to 100% rises, the crypto markets have been completely dead over the summer. Well, basically winter here in Australia. Anyway, this 20 level has always preceded a huge moves over the subsequent 2 to 4 months. April 2016, 83% in 2 months. October 2016, 85%. March 2019, 214%. July was 102%, and January was 85% in 3 months. Powell is also keeping a close watch on Bollinger Bands, which is widely used volatility indicator. According to the macro guru, Bitcoin's Bollinger Bands have currently the tightest on record as it hovers close to the 20 level as well. Only one other month historically have we ever been below 25, which was back in April 2016. Back then, Bitcoin went on a rally 44x into the 2017 high. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. The SEC is officially going after NFTs. Bored Ape Yacht Club, you're in trouble. Anyway, the Impact Theory, a media company that sold NFT to fund its operations, has agreed to a cease and desist order with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which alleges that the sale of NFTs represented an offering of unregistered securities. The order alleges the Impact Theory sold multiple tiers of NFTs to fund its operations and promised it would provide tremendous value. NFT purchases. Specifically, it told investors that it will make sure that we do something that, by any reasonable standard, people got a crushing, hilarious amount of value. Interesting. So the SEC is now going after NFTs. BlackRock is now a major shareholder of 4 of the 5 largest Bitcoin miners. They're going after every avenue, guys. They really are. BlackRock, one of the largest investment companies in the world, is positioning itself in the Bitcoin mining industry. The investment giant is already second largest shareholder of 4 out of the 5 biggest Bitcoin miners by market cap. According to CoinMarketCap Index, the 5 largest Bitcoin miners sum up $5.4 billion in market cap and have registered massive losses in the last 30 days. Of course, they're taking advantage of that, buying the dip. There you go. You can see Riot Platforms right here, $1.92 billion. Marathon Digital, $1.83 billion. Cypher Mining right here, $740 billion, $0.74 billion. What else we got here, ladies and gentlemen? We've got Hut 8 Mining Corp, $0.5 billion. And, of course, TeraWolf is at $0.41 billion in market cap, which is crazy. They're going to try and buy up every aspect of this. Now we've got Polygon founder unveils a massive technical upgrade, and I'm sorry about all these freaking pop-ups. It's so annoying. And the Polygon founder announced the launch of a new token network, Pol. Pol is set to be a massive technological upgrade compared to Matic. The new token will allow staking across multiple chains without having risks linked to restaking, which is interesting. And Pol is a massive technical upgrade to Matic. Pol delivers the benefits of multi-chain staking without the added risks of restaking. With the Polygon 2.0 proposal, the Polygon ecosystem will expand to a single chain to an ecosystem of L2s that can easily incorporate. Obviously a lot there, guys, which is incredible. Seamless cross-chain interactions right there, which is really nice as well. I'm still bullish on Polygon Matic. I think it's incredibly undervalued. Now, Vitalik is selling $6 million worth of Ethereum in a month. What is going on? Massive returns. Again, sorry guys, moving down here. According to the Etherscan data, the transaction increased the total value of ETH held in the wallet to roughly 3,000 ETH, valued at $5 million. The reasons behind the transfer and the recipient's identity remain undisclosed. Buterin has a history of selling positions of his ETH holdings over the past 5 years and publicly disposing of tokens received unplanned altcoin airdrops, aka Shiba Inu. That's what he did. Now, again, this is crazy, but BitBoy was basically fired from BitBoy Crypto. I was watching Carl Runefelt on the Moon and Wendy O, both incredible channels, by the way. So, g'day, guys. But BitBoy was fired, which is just crazy. Effectively, immediately, Ben Armstrong will no longer be working at Hit Network and BJ Investment Holdings as a subsidiary brands, including but not limited to BitBoy Crypto and around the blockchain. The decision has not been easy. However, after long consideration, we are confident this is the only path forward. And the only account that Ben actually had was this one. TJ, obviously Ben Coin. This is the only thing he's got left. But TJ Shed and Justin Williams have attempted to coup at my company. Just confirming what is going around. It's true, there has been a mutiny at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network, but it won't work. They have no leverage. Until they can clone me, I have nothing to worry about. That is an actual tweet right there, and that is the email apparently that went around to around the blockchain, which is full on. It's not good for the crypto community. Like, obviously they had business arrangements where he wasn't the sole owner of his channel. Wow, that's full on, man. Anyway, moving on. I'm not going to comment on anything else, but everyone knows sort of my position, especially my Patreon anyway. But moving on, the buyer flow, we've got money going into Ethereum, Arbitrum right here, Doge, we've got Polkadot, Cardano, Filecoin, which is really nice as well. Now let's go to Twitter, or I should say X. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Ladies and gentlemen, go follow me on there. Thank you to those 5,417 people. You guys rock. I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. Obviously, Bitcoin target 300K in 2025 if BlackRock spot ETF gets approved, which I believe it will. Hong Kong Bitcoin and crypto exchange Hashkey has officially opened to retail traders. There you go. Christine Lagarde, obviously, World Economic Forum here, guys. Have a listen to this.
Pushed that project. Fabio Panetta is working hard on that together with members in the entire Eurosystem, with a high-level task force that is working really hard on moving forward. But in a way, I'm really pleased that attention is now focused on the role that cryptos can play. And
Bullish, there you go. Again, crypto exchanges OKX, an official partner of the channel, and Bybit removes sanctioned Russian banks from payment options. Again, that's full on. BitBoy Armstrong was fired from his company, BitBoy Crypto, due to financial damage and obviously personal things that he's had happening to him, man. That's full on. I can't believe that's happened, but there you go. That's what happens in business. Got to be careful. You can never trust anyone in business. But anyway, BlackRock, again, major shareholder out of all of these incredible companies. Now, Brett Garlinghouse, let's have a listen to him here, guys. Again, trillions of dollars. Trillions of dollars. Listen.
There isn't regulatory uncertainty. And so we have found that part of the reason why XRP has performed well is because people realize, hey, wait a minute. You know, back to your question, is XRP the next Bitcoin? Back to your question, is XRP the next Bitcoin? If we work with the system to solve this problem, and we can solve that problem at scale, a problem measured in the trillions of dollars, then there's a lot of opportunity to create value in XRP.
There you go. The next Bitcoin. There is Brad tweeting out about September 29th in New York. I would love to attend that. If anyone wants to send me an invite, I'll definitely be there, guys, with bells on, that's for sure. BlackRock owns 8.1% of MicroStrategy, worth 12.244 Bitcoin, 12,000 Bitcoin, which is insane. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 39. And yes, a third largest Bitcoin whale with $3 billion in Bitcoin revealed to be Robinhood. There you go. Pretty interesting facts right there. Now let's go to CoinMarketCap. I've got $1,024 billion in volume. It's incredibly low. 48% BTC, 18% Ethereum. This is my portfolio, the top gainers. Again, here we are. I'm not sure what's happening with BTC, but it's like soaring 118% today. I have no idea what the hell's going on though. It's just wild. I've just saw some pop-ups today in the last 24 hours. It's just been crazy again. Who knows what's happening with that. XDC, very, very bullish on. And Reef, there you go. It's up today, 2.52. And yes, my focus is the banking coins. Absolute no-brainer in my opinion, not financial advice. But again, some interesting ones here, of course, WorldCoin. Obviously, the founder of ChatGPT, which is crazy. Casper, of course, XDC, Quant, Hedera, XLM, Cardano, and XRP. I can't wait for this thing to go parabolic. Can it be the next Bitcoin? I think it can be, if it's full adoption. Anyway, join the Patreon, guys. I'm out. Have a good night. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good evening, a good afternoon. And if it's morning, good morning, and have an espresso, guys. Join the Patreon, and social media links are below. Peace out, guys. Bye.